The emergency alert system has issued a zombie invasion for New York, Maine, and Connecticut. This incident had first started in Connecticut. We advise that you should pack enough food and find shelter immediately. Do not investigate any strange noises you hear. If you do, then you will face certain death. Do not interact with the zombies. They will eat up your brain if you do so. Zombies can do unique stuff that regular human cannot. If a zombie breaks in your house, find a weapon to kill it. If you don't kill the zombies, you will put your life into major
See you.